What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In this episode, we'll be having a very quick analysis on DXY, gold, EURUSD, and GBPUSD for this present week. So, without wasting any further time, let's quickly dive into it. So as usual, we will begin our analysis with the dollar index, and in the recent tweet where I had a weekly analysis, I expected price to reject from this and continue lower. Now what happened is we just dumped right into this box, and what's again noteworthy is that we failed to close below this specific swing low, which sort of signifies that there is potential strength on still left in DXY. So my idea is, as long as this low is protected, there is a definite chance that we might continue to push higher. Right, we might test 104 odd levels or maybe even higher than that. So my bias is maybe bearish to bullish for this present week on DXY. Now let's check GBPUSD. So after reversing right from this, let's zoom out a little. Yeah, after reversing right from this imbalance right here, we had a nice consolidated move on the downside, testing discounted levels right here. However, the present range of the market is this right here. So we just tapped into the 50%. I still expect that price might just continue a little higher and then again continue dumping below into 62 or 705 odd levels, right? So my bias pretty much aligns with the dollar index, that we might see some bullish to bearish week on GBPUSD. So that's pretty much it. EURUSD. Now what's very interesting about EURUSD is that we've closed very weak, right? If you remember, in the recent analysis video, I clearly mentioned that this is our range on EURUSD, and this range was formed in the month of March and April, right? And we have been trading right inside that range until now, right? So idea is very simple. Since this bearish lower high and lower low are in control, we are technically going to look for shorts, and we are at a very premium level even now after getting this high, more liquidity. So there's a very strong chance even on EURUSD, once we get any sort of confirmation here, maybe some lower high lower low structure, the least we can tap is at least 1.07 odd levels. So I am positionally, I can say that as long as the bearish order flow is in place, you can expect a euro to dump all the way down to these levels. Okay, so that's pretty much on EURUSD. And finally, let's talk about gold. So very interesting week on gold right here. I think we've traded right inside Monday's range throughout the week, which is very crazy. Without news, gold moving almost $100, that's just gold being gold, right? Anyway, so what we are currently looking at, the closing on gold is pretty much strong based on a daily time frame. However, if I go on a weekly time frame, this pretty much looks like it is done. It is losing its momentum, because I expected a bullish week. However, we haven't got one yet. So now if I go on a lower time frame, maybe 4-hour time frame, my present range comes around this, where we are trading right inside that, actually right here. And inside this, we never created any bullish sign, not here, not here, not here. Once we broke above this, this is where I started to look for longs. Now the idea is very simple. There is a possibility that we might continue lower once we grab this previous high and then give any sign of bearish confirmation, and in that scenario you can target these levels. However, if we fail to sustain this and if we break below 2350, then on gold we are pretty much done, because on a daily time frame, this is my potential stronger low which we have created after making a lower high and lower low right here, right? So I want this swing low to be protected at all cost if I am positionally bullish on gold. So my idea is very simple. as long as 2353 is protected, no matter here or even lower, I will be looking for some sort of long opportunities to target all-time highs 2500, 2550 or even 2600 for that matter. But if this is broken, then there's a very strong possibility we might target this eventually 2277 odd levels. So what I will be looking for is very simple. On Monday, if I get any short opportunity, then it will be a good one at least until 2390, 2400 odd levels. And once we get another fresh support forming around 2400, you can continue to look for longs once again to target your all-time highs. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.